Hi guys, I'm showing you how to make some iceberg slime. So let's get started. So first off, you're going to need some school glue. Yes, this is a glue and borax slime. Well, not borax, but activator slime. So sorry, but you're gonna get this open. Okay, get this glue, and we're just going to pour a cup of glue. So that looks good for now. Put the cap on so I can use it later. Okay, so it should look like that. Part 2 coming. Actually, yeah, never mind. I was gonna do part 2, but look how satisfying this is. Taking this all off. Okay, whatever. Okay, so you're going to be mixing up your glue a bit because it's a bit fun. Okay, this is where you can add your color. Actually, no, you do that later. You get shaving cream, shaving foam, but I don't have that, so I'm going to be using some hand soap foam. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing that and mixing it up. Okay, part 2 coming up.